right. Maisie, what are we making today?
We're making Pop-Tarts.
We were making strawberry Pop-Tarts. We actually made these like last year. I never posted it just because I'm trying to get the, no, don't eat the butter. I'm trying to get the recipe right. So Maisie we're using salted butter for this, and the butter's gotta be cold because then we're gonna put it, we're making our crust, and this is grass-fed butter. Here, you wanna cut these big ones? We're practicing our knife skills, right? Just careful of those fingers. Yes, you can go slow. And we're gonna do some gluten-free flour and cream cheese for this crust. Just a simple strawberry preserves in the middle. You can make your own jam. I'll leave it up to you. Just use an organic strawberry jam is perfectly good. Okay, there's actually a really good, Abra has a really good strawberry chia jam that would be wonderful in the middle of this. So again, we're taking a junk food and making it actually very functional and
it's going to be gluten-free, nutritious, Mama.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will.
And that'll be Mommy's Pop-Tarts.
Yes, Mama's Pop-Tarts. Mama and Maisie's Pop-Tarts. Dough part is the trickiest part because you really want to get it at that good consistency. I think the cream cheese is going to help in that. Today we're actually using dairy-free cream cheese. We're going to try this one. This has been working in lots of recipes here. So I have got a lot of clients right now that are going dairy-free for tons of different reasons. And yeah, and I want to just see, you know, how this is going to taste. And then we're going to do a little pinch of powdered sugar just for the dough. And we're going to chill the dough, and then we're going to roll it out, cut it, stuff it with our preserves, and bake it in the oven. And then, Maisie, what's your favorite part at the end?
Eating.
Well, no, but what's before that? A couple sprinkles, but careful with that knife.
Sprinkling it, and then we get to eat it.
Yes, and then maybe, yes, the pulse button. Press it again, it's all right. Yeah. Oh, so we are mixing right now the cream cheese. We just 8 ounces and 8 ounces. Cream cheese and the butter. Dough after adding the flour. I actually like to use a pinch of almond extract and a pinch of vanilla. If you're gonna send this to school and there's no nuts, then of course omit the almond. Not necessary. I just think it adds that really nice. It adds almost like that Christmas cookie taste to it, but you can totally omit it. Oh, okay, Maisie's doing her egg wash right here. Yep, and then we're gonna, we did an even little coat of our organic strawberry puree. And then we're going to, I think that's good, Maisie, just a little bit. This made about like 9 of these, 9 or 10. They're probably a little big. And then we're gonna sprinkle, you could sprinkle with a little bit of sugar before you put them in the oven.
I want some sprinkles first.
There's a nice one. Look at these two got a little bit too much of the jelly, but that one looks really good. Before we put them in the oven, we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of, just a touch of regular cane sugar. I actually added a little touch of cinnamon to that cane sugar, and I just keep it in the pantry for things like this. That one, again, is it's gonna be a little messy, but I think these are gonna be delicious. And it's a totally clean product, clean little Pop-Tart. So now for the frosting, we're gonna put like a little bit of a glaze because it's gotta look like a Pop-Tart. This is about a tablespoon and a half, maybe like a 1/4 cup of organic powdered sugar. We're bringing back the strawberry puree. I'll probably do about a couple teaspoons of that. A little bit of milk in here, just to dab until you get it to the consistency that you like. Once they cool, you frost them, and then you can let your kids like throw a couple of natural sprinkles on here. This, of course, this is not breakfast. This is a treat. This is a dessert. We're looking at it that way. So yes, there definitely is a little bit of sugar. You're getting a minimal amount in the actual dough itself. You got the filling. So, you know, it's not, I wouldn't call it necessarily low sugar. I would call it like reduced, and no seed oils, all good ingredients. So this is nothing like the actual Pop-Tart. Totally fine to add in for desserts. Good job, Maze.
Me too.
Here it is, guys. This is half. We cut this in half. Maisie already tried some. Look at that. What do you think? Want to pick it up and take a taste?
Mm-hmm. Nope. What is